Hey, what's up, good people? How you doing? Welcome back to Stock Up with Larry Jones. Hey, if you're new to the page, hit the like, subscribe, and a notification bell. Let me get a seat here. As you guys could see, I'm still traveling, all right? Let's get right into it. There's a lot going on today. Just want to keep you guys updated on some things that are happening right now in these markets, okay? Leaving LA today, heading home. But listen, the Dow is down for the second day, right? Dow is down, but tech was up briefly, bringing up what? The NASDAQ. So if you look at the time of filming this, the Dow and the S&P were both negative when I looked at it a minute ago, but the NASDAQ was slightly up, but not by much, okay? So we're just gonna keep an eye on those indices, especially for those of you that are playing the cues. All right, so bond yields they sank after new job data came out. So job data came out, and it showed that the number of jobs openings fell from 8.7 million, all right, in October. The job openings fell more than 600,000 from September. So from September to October, new job openings fell more than 500,000. Well, 600,000. So that is a decline in jobs, okay? And so it's a weird time because I need to revisit that, but you got a lot of part-time jobs right now. And this is the season where a lot of people are, doing Christmas, especially in retail. They're hiring part-timers, right? And that kind of skews the numbers when, they tout the job numbers, especially Q1 of next year. And they'll be talking about this quarter. Those numbers are always skewed. And then if they're high, of course, whoever the sitting president is comes out and touts how good the economy is doing, right? And when we know that those were partial or part-time jobs, okay? So let us be smarter than what they tell us. I always say question everything. But new job openings are shrinking, okay? And so we just need to keep an eye on that, right? Again, with this market, I don't have a crystal ball. No one does, but I expect a pullback in January-ish if it doesn't come this year, right? But I think we're going to end up decently this year, and we're going to monitor that day by day, right? So I'm going to go into some more stock, and then you know what? Let me go into just a little crypto, then I'm going to go into some crypto stock, right? For those of you that are just here for the stock market update, I'm gonna get back into that. I'm gonna keep this video brief and to the point, all right? I said brief with a TH. All right, so listen, Bitcoin hit a new high. Bitcoin at the time of filming this is 43,694. Remember, we were looking for it to break 41. Now we're at 43, pushing 44 now. And it just keeps getting bullish. So what's gonna happen next? FOMO. Those of us that's been in this play that know that, hey, the time was to buy it when it was beat down low, when we were DCAing all of this time and we were buying big chunks. Hey, if you rolled with me the last time I had all of the crypto mining companies, and I showed you guys with my portfolio how I made enough to buy a full Bitcoin. If you participated in that in any form, leave me a comment, right? So remember, we did call options on Mara and Riot, and we had the stock on Mara and Riot, the last run up a few months ago, and we made a killing, and we got out right at the top of the market, and now it's cooling back off, okay? So right now, XRP is at 62, all right, 62 cent, okay? SHIB is at 5 zeros and a 9. Remember, what did I say months ago? We were buying at 5 zeros and a 7 or below. So we are up handsomely even on Shiba Inu, yeah? Ethereum is 2278 at the time of this, and Solana is at 6140. Solana has been a beast this year, right? So let's talk about the crypto miners, right? CleanSpark is unstoppable. It seems like CleanSpark was up another 8% today, and now at the time it's up 5% at the time of filming this. So CleanSpark is up 5%. BTBT or Bit Digital is up 4.5%, right? Mara's up 2.80% at the time of filming this. Could be higher or lower if you're watching this later, of course. Riot is up 1%, and Hut. Remember, Hut had the reverse stock split / merger / name change, okay, / dilution issues. Everything was going on with Hut. But remember, I told you guys to be patient with Hut. Don't freak out. And now Hut is up 6.5%, 6.54% at the time of filming this. Remember, whenever there's a merger, name change, anything like that, the numbers that you see are skewed. So that's what happened with Hut. I told you guys to be patient, don't panic. As a matter of fact, I bought a little more. Of course, you know, I'm buying $25 a day, but I actually bought a little more of Hut because when something, this is me, when something is showing that it's going to be up higher in the next year, and they do any type of dilution. Now, I didn't really go and see if they did a share dilution. I knew the 5-to-1 split. One of you guys left a comment. But here's a hint with share dilutions. If it's a company and you know they're going to do well, good, and they do a share dilution, just buy it at the diluted price. Wherever they bought the shares at, whoever's doing the dilution, whatever that bottom is, that's where I normally buy and just wait. I would say 95% of the time I make money with just being patient. You know, the stock godfather, Warren Buffett. The stock market is a tool to transfer money from the impatient to the patient. And I believe that wholeheartedly if you're in the right companies, okay? So I believe I covered everything. I want to end by saying this. I touched upon it yesterday on the video yesterday. Now that crypto is doing what it's doing, and I remember I said it's all going to happen all over again. But there will be a new Dogecoin. There will be a new Shiba Inu. They're already creeping up, all right, with the Pepes and all of this, right? But there will also be new AMCs. There will be new GameStops. There will be new potential short squeezes. And what I'm going to tell you is this platform is going to get flooded with a lot of people that don't know what they're saying, right? They weren't here during the bear market because they don't know how to navigate during a bear market. They don't know how to trade during a bear market. And that's all they do every day is get on and say, buy, buy, buy. Now, here's what's going to happen now with everything. You're going to see these bold, insane price predictions. Don't fall for it. You're going to hear people tell you, hodl, don't sell, never sell. That's a fool's trip. There is no stock in your portfolio that is not worth selling. There is no crypto in your portfolio that's not worth selling. You guys that's been rolling with me for a while, you saw me make a $250,000 off of a crap coin. Why? Because I sold it, right? So none of this huddle crap, none of all of these kids coming on this platform, YouTube, and all of this talking about somebody's making coffee, talking about hodl, and it caused you to lose your money because FOMO comes in and your fear of missing the top. You're already in profit. So this time around, you that lost money in crypto and you're back in it, this time around you will win because you will sell. You will take profits. And if it keeps running after you take profits, so what? If your dumb neighbor down the street makes a dime more than you did because you held longer, so what? Because after it runs up, all the risk is on you, good people. And so that's what we want to avoid. We want to avoid the foolishness that happened last cycle, especially people that don't know the cycle. Now, in my class, as soon as I get back in the next few weeks, you're going to start seeing me add more classes explaining crypto, explaining all of crypto, the cycles and everything, so you can really hit the ball out of the park this time, right? So let me tell you about the class in closing. The class will go up $100, right? I'm telling you guys, by January 1st, it's going to be $100 higher. There will be no more discounts lower than the price lower than the current price, right? Now, I may hold it at that price, and that may be the new discount on January 1st, but I'm telling you guys, don't wait. It will never be less than the current price. I'm going to tell you that. But one of the things I will tell you is it's going up because I priced it really cheap so a lot of you guys could get in. And if you've got the class and if you've learned anything that's helped you to save or make money, I want you to also leave a comment, all right? I'm going to leave it right there. And why I'm saying this, are you selling your class? Yes, I am doing a hard sale right now because we got to be ready for the ridiculous money that we're going to make all over again, just like we did in 2021. But this time we're smarter. We're going to take profits. We're not going to listen to these maniacs telling you that Shiba Inu is going to be $10, telling you that Bitcoin is going to $1 million this cycle, all of that foolishness. We're not falling for that. I'm not going to let you guys fall for it, all right? All right, we'll see you later. Live, love, laugh, and learn.